Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I slayed this hair. When I tell y'all I am so in love, my hair looks so good. Yes, I know y'all see it. Period. What lace? Where's it at? Okay, let's get into it. So before I show you guys how I installed the wig, I do want to show you guys that here are a few different types of laces. So this is the transparent lace, the first one, and then here is the brown lace. And so with this lace that's on this wig is the new clear lace. So as you can see, it blends right in on my skin. And right here, I did go ahead and apply it to my skin with some got2b spray, and in the middle that one is the clear lace. So here you can clearly see the difference in this one specifically. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to applying the ball cap method. And yes, I went into like detail on a previous video, so if you guys want to see exactly how I do that, then I will link a video down below actually using the same type of hair. So yes, here I'm just go ahead and doing that, spraying it on, and you guys know the drill. I'm pretty sure you already know how this works. So yes, I'm just going through this process right here. Alright, so this hair is Xrsbeauty Hair, and shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Right here I'm just showing you guys a few things that do come in the box. And here is the hair. This is in 24 inches, 200% density, and it is in a body wave style, and it has the new clear lace that I showed you guys before. So this unit, I'm sorry, is already pre-plugged, pre-bleach, all that. When I tell you guys I didn't do any customization to it at all I did was to go ahead and part it off camera. As you can see, I put it in the middle part, and I just kind of laid it down with my hot comb, just so I can go ahead and do that part before I get to installing the hair. So yes, this is exactly how it looks straight out the box. No, nothing, like it looks so good. All right, so now I'm about to get ready to, make sure the wig is properly measured on my head, cut off the ear side pieces, the drill, same old, just making sure it's customized to my head and how I need it to be. So for the glue adhesive, I will be going in with this Ghost Bond glue. And you guys, this is my first time actually like using glue instead of the got2b free spray. You guys know I just use that mainly because like I was scared at first to use it, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take a risk. I'm going to go ahead and use it. And y'all, I am in love. This was actually my first time doing it, and I feel like I did a really, really good job. So right here, I'm just applying it. And I did go in with 2 layers. I applied the first layer, let it dry until it was clear, and then did the same thing with the second layer. And as you can see right here, I'm using the edge brush that they did provide in the box with the hair. It has like this little smoothing side, so I thought like, okay, let me use that to smooth down this glue. It came right in handy. So yeah. All right, now I'm just applying the wig to, all of the sides now that it is dry. And yeah, pretty simple, pretty simple. I am going to tie a band around it just so it can hold it down and kind of like, I guess you want to say like melt into my skin. Make sure it don't move. Make sure it's nice, laid, and slayed. And it lasts, you know, we don't need no lifting, okay? So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. So now I am getting ready to curl my hair. So I did want to curl it, just do some soft flat iron curls. So that's what I'm about to do right here. Alright, so now I'm moving on to cutting off the lace. I'm just using this, I think it's like an eyebrow razor thing. So I'm using that to get, you know, not so straight of a edge on the lace. And then I'm going to get ready to go in and cut and do me some baby hairs. Like, y'all, when I tell you I am so in love with this hair, everybody was like, oh my gosh, Mia, your hair looks so good. I was like, thank you. But yes, y'all, I was feeling myself. Like, I cannot believe I did such a good job using the glue for the first time. I feel like I did so good. I wish I could have done my baby hairs a little bit better, but for the most part, they were really good. I think they were just like a little too long, but you know, they still was cute. But yeah, I'm just doing that, and I use like some foam. I need to find something that like will lay the baby hairs down without them looking like so like weird. That's the reason why I was like, I'm gonna just use some foam, because I feel like if I use edge control, like I've done in the past and it looked kind of funny. So I was just like, yeah, maybe I can just use the foam, but it didn't like hold it down, if that makes sense. So I still gotta work on that, but for the most part, still was looking good, still was laid and slayed. Like, y'all, this install was so perfect. And when I tell you, I literally did not do nothing to this hair. Like, I didn't bleach the knots, I didn't pluck it, I didn't do anything. All I did was put it on my head. That's it. I just put it on my head and flat ironed it, and, you know, customized it to how I wanted. But I didn't have to do none of the hard stuff, which probably isn't hard, but to me, it just seems like a lot of work. But anyway, so right here, I'm just, you know, I went in with my wax stick to make sure the front is laid down. And then I also go in with the hot comb as well, just to get that like swoop, like front sleek look. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, just to get that type of look. And y'all, like, this looks so good. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Y'all should be proud of me. Like, y'all need to go get this wig. Like, look at my hair. It just looks so good. So good. But yes, y'all, I'm just, you know, making sure it's laid flat down at the top, looking real nice and sleek. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, that's really all I did to this hair. Really, really simple. I did go in with a little bit concealer just to, you know, make sure the part was nice and straight and it looked really good, which I probably didn't need it, but I just did it anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much all to the video. Like, I love this hair, and shout out to XRSBEAUTY Hair for sponsoring this video once again, y'all. This looks so good. I'm finna come back on with my makeup, my outfit, looking really cute so y'all can get into the full look. But yes, your girl is cute. And here's a close-up of the lace before I put my makeup on. And then here is how your girl look in the end, okay? Period. I look so good. The hair looks good. Definitely my favorite wig. Definitely my favorite. Like, what? Who is that? Is that Mia? I don't know. Is it? But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check down below in the description box for all of the details. Everything will be left down there for you guys. Yeah. Really hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
This one thing